All right, I'm just got off this some emails and YouTube questions I have on water pressure. Okay, now water pressure is complicated because you can be on a high rise, you can be at a private home, you can live in an apartment, you can have a water filter, you can't have a water filter. So this is really why we want to get a licensed plumber involved, because what we want to do is bypass any water filter and see if we still have that problem. If we do, we got to look at the source water. That means either the city or your own private well, depending on what you have. Now, if you get water from a city, we'd want to first inspect all the valves that are leading into your home. Sometimes if you have old galvanized plumbing pipes, they're clogged. Maybe the old gate valves, that's the round valve. If that gate valve is old, that has a rubber expansion that goes on the inside, and that breaks open, so that stops the water from coming through. You might want to replace that into a ball valve. So we need to really get an expert out to the house. Licensed plumbers are the best way to go. They're licensed by different states, and they're going to help diagnose that the best for you. If you need any further assistance on that, always reach out to us, because if you live in one of our service areas, we'll be certainly happy to have one of our professionals come out, look at your water, start to be a detective, and try to figure out what one item could be causing that issue. If you have any further questions, always email me, text me, whatever you like, because I'm Drew and I'm here to serve you.